I tested this red lipstick on 5 different skin tones. The results shocked me. Finding the perfect red lipstick can feel like searching for a unicorn. Too orange on fair skin, too pink on olive tones, or too harsh on deeper complexions. That's why I gathered 5 models with completely different skin tones to put this universal red to the ultimate test. From porcelain pale to deep ebony, each model applied the same exact shade. What surprised me wasn't just that it looked good, it looked stunning on everyone. The secret? This formula contains color-adjusting pigments that adapt to your natural lip chemistry, creating a custom red that complements your unique undertones. Fair skin glowed with a classic ruby, medium tones transformed it to a perfect crimson, deeper complexions rocked a rich, dimensional red that popped beautifully. No more guessing games or wasted money on reds that don't work. This is truly the one red lipstick that belongs in every makeup collection, regardless of your skin tone. Let's meet our 5 gorgeous models, each with a unique skin tone and style. First up is Mia, with porcelain skin. She applies the red lipstick with a precise swipe. Look at that transformation. The color instantly brightens her complexion. Next is Priya, with a warm medium skin tone. She glides on the lipstick effortlessly. Priya's lips look bold and vibrant, perfectly complementing her undertones. Now we have Jade, with olive skin. She loves how the red shade pops against her complexion. Jade's look is classic and sophisticated, perfect for any occasion. Fourth is Amara with deep brown skin. She applies the lipstick and is instantly wowed by the rich color payoff. The red looks absolutely stunning on Amara, making her features pop. Finally, we have Zoe with ebony skin. She applies the lipstick and can't stop smiling at the result. Zoe's lips look bold, dimensional, and absolutely gorgeous. But how does this lipstick hold up throughout the day? We put it to the test. After lunch and coffee, the color is still vibrant and hasn't faded. No smudging, no feathering, just flawless red lips all day long. Want the perfect application? Start by exfoliating your lips for a smooth base. Use a lip liner to define your shape and prevent bleeding. Apply the lipstick straight from the bullet, then blot and reapply for extra staying power. Our models loved how confident and beautiful they felt in this universal red shade. No matter your skin tone, this lipstick is your new go-to for any occasion. Ready to try it yourself? Let us know your favorite red lipstick moment in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. Let's quickly recap. Mia, Priya, Jade, Amara, and Zoe each rock this red lipstick in their own unique way. No matter your style, there's a red for you. For extra staying power, try setting your lipstick with a touch of translucent powder, or layer with a matching gloss for a bold, modern finish. And don't forget to care for your lips. Remove your lipstick gently with micellar water or a cleansing balm, and follow up with a nourishing lip balm to keep your pout soft and healthy.